Hello dear students. Today we are going to study about logic gates. As we know about different types of signals, there are two main types of signals. First is analog signal and the second is digital signal. Logic gate is the concept which is related with the phenomenon of digital signal. If we consider analog signals, analog signals are the signals which are generated by varying physical quantities. If we take example of voltage or current, the value of voltage and current might change by input. But in case of digital signal, we have only two discrete values of output. So such signals are useful in study of logic gates. So what is logic gate? It is nothing but a digital circuit with one or more input signals but only one output signal. So this is your logic gate. There are different types of logic gates we are going to study in today's article. We will see more information regarding logic gate like this. Output of logic gate can only have one or two possible states. Okay, as I told you in the definition of logic gate, there are several inputs, but the output of logic gate can only have one or two possible states. So, which are these states? The output of logic gate must be high or low. Okay, so when we apply some input, then there is possibility of getting output either as high or low. High means the output will be 1 and low means the output is 0. That means no output is there. There are 5 common type of logic gates: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. So these are the 5 common logic gates we have to study in today's article. For study of each logic gate, we can study its symbol, its Boolean expression and the related truth table. In case of symbol, we can see different symbol for different logic gates, and for Boolean expression, the mathematical statement which is nothing but a Boolean expression, it will give you the relationship between its input applied and the output of logic gate. If we study truth table, each logic gate is indicated by some function. This function explains us the combinations of output with input and that are confined in a table which is called as truth table. So these are the important points regarding logic gate. Each and every logic gate can be studied. So which are the important points we have to understand? Symbol, Boolean expression and truth table. Now we will start with first type of logic gate, that is NOT gate. If we consider here, the symbol for NOT gate is given in this diagram. One triangle followed by a small circle shows the symbol for NOT gate. The Boolean expression of NOT gate is y is equal to x bar. Okay, y denotes input while x bar is the output for particular input. If we see the truth table, okay, that table is shown over here. In this table, input x and output y is there. For input 0, we get output as 1. That means for low input, the output will be high. Similarly, for input high, we will get output low. So NOT gate is performing the inverting phenomenon. Okay, it will invert the input and give you the negation of output. So that's why NOT gate is also called as an inverter. Then the next gate is AND gate. If we see this diagram, First, here is a symbol of AND gate is there. There are two inputs A and B, and the output will be in the form of multiplication. Okay, so AND gate performs the multiplication of inputs and give you the output. Now in case of truth table, as I told you that there are two inputs 0 and 1, and we will get output like 0 or 1. But as AND gate performs logical multiplication, okay, as we see in our symbol, y is equal to a dot b is the Boolean expression of AND gate. If input A and input B both are high, then only we will get output of AND gate as high. Okay, so the fourth logic condition can be satisfied. Even any of the input is high of the AND gate, then we will get output as 0. Okay, so this is how AND gate is studied. Next important type of gate is OR gate. OR gate performs logical addition. Okay, just in case we have studied earlier AND gate, which performs logical multiplication. OR gate performs logical addition. That's why its Boolean expression is y is equal to a plus b. So output is the addition of two inputs, and the symbol for OR gate is shown in this diagram also. A and B are the two inputs, and its output will be the addition of these inputs. Now in case of truth table, whenever one of the input is high, we will get output also high. So in OR gate, we must take any of the input high so that we will get output high, and if both the inputs are low, that is input A and input B are 0 or low, then we will get output also equal to 0. So this is our OR gate. After that, next important gate is NAND gate. So in case of NAND gate, it is nothing but the NOT gate followed by NAND gate. So NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. That's why it is called as NAND gate. Its symbol is given in this diagram, and its Boolean expression is y is equal to a dot b bar. Okay, as we have seen, AND gate is the logical multiplication. So NAND gate will be the negation of that logical multiplication. That's why its Boolean expression is a dot b bar. So here we can see the output of NAND gate will be the negation of AND gate. That's why whenever one of the input is high or both the inputs are low, we will get output equal to 1. Only the condition is that when both inputs are high, the output of NAND gate must be 0. So this is the NAND gate. Now the next gate is NOR gate. So it is gate number 5. Here in case of NOR gate, it is perform the mathematical expression of a plus b bar, which suggests us that it must be the negation of OR gate. Okay, when both inputs are low, then only we will get output high, and on every other combination of inputs we get output as low or 0. So this is the gate called as NOR gate. After the study of 5 basic or common logic gates, there exists another logic gate which is called as exclusive OR gate, it is also called as XOR gate, which performs the logical function which is used in many types of computational circuits. Okay, it is used to compare two logic levels which produce output which depends on input condition, which is useful for computational arithmetics. If output of exclusive OR gate goes high, okay, it will possible only when its two input terminals are at different logic levels. If we see in the truth table, when input A and B are both at different logic levels, means if input A or input B is high and other one is low, then only we will get output as high. But for every other combination, like both inputs are high or both inputs are low, we will get exclusive OR gate output as low. So this is your exclusive OR gate. Its Boolean expression is C equal to A plus B, but this plus symbol is kept in circle, so it is much different than our logical addition OR gate. So this is your Boolean expression, and its symbol is also different. In this symbol we can see two input XOR gate, which is just seems like OR gate, but for the denotion of exclusive OR gate we have added one curved line just before that symbol. So output is high when either of the inputs A or B is high, but not if both A and B are high. So this is about exclusive OR gate, and this is how we have completed our topic of logic gates. And also we have completed today our chapter number 16, semiconductor devices. Thank you very much.